Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine two emojis using Emoji Kitchen to create new emoji. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for Emoji Kitchen. Then you can click on Get Cooking. And here we'll be able to combine two emoji and create custom emoji. And for the first emoji, I'm just going to choose, for example, this one. And the second emoji, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to share the emoji to your friends, you can click on the share menu. And then here you can choose either you want to share it by WhatsApp, Discord, Drive, or Instagram, and it's up to you. And or I guess that's all the way to combine two emojis using Emoji Kitchen to create new emoji. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.